Bazzy, just good boy. Bazzy, they will have you, darling. They ain't little pigeons, mate. Right, let me see. Give him some food. Good boy. Right, here we go. Let's see. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, Lord. Oh. I'm worried you're going to have me. There you go. Yeah. Stop fighting. No fighting. Be nice. Yeah. Oh, Lord. There you go. Whoa. Bazzy. That was... You haven't really got teeth, have you? But they are sharp old beaks. There you go. There you go. There you go. I've finally got the courage, yeah. No. This way. Bazzy there, sit there, love you. Come here. Good boy. Be careful. Hello. They're lovely though, aren't they? Look at the size of them. Massive.